In this video, I'll show you how to create a modern glitch style opening where flashes and color distortions break across the screen and reveal your video. Start by opening your project in CapCut Mobile and placing your video clip at the beginning of the timeline. Tap on the clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation. Now switch to the In tab, which controls how the clip appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find Fizzling Boop, then tap on it. Once applied, you'll see quick flashes combined with chromatic color shifts that create a glitchy and energetic reveal. Remember, this animation is applied directly to the video clip, not as a separate layer. Use the duration slider to control how aggressive the glitch feels. Drag it left for sharp and punchy flashes, or drag it right for a slower, more readable distortion. Preview the animation and fine-tune the timing so it enhances the energy of your video. And that's it. You've successfully added a glitch flash reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fully detailed CapCut Mobile tutorials.